Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to block third-party cookies in the Chrome Canary browser on your mobile device. If you value your privacy and want to prevent websites from tracking your activity, first, open the Chrome Canary browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. Next, find the third-party Cookies option and click on it. Then, choose the Block third-party cookies option to prevent websites from tracking your activity using cookies. Finally, your browser will now block third-party cookies, enhancing your privacy while browsing. You can revisit these settings at any time if you want to adjust how cookies are handled. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.